Hi, hello, good morning, grade 6. It's me once again, teacher Ringo. Today is August 31st and it is Tuesday. It means it is our English subject time. Today we're going to learn about telling the time. Okay? It's Unit 3, telling the time. And here are the meanings of telling the time. Telling the time is the ability to read from a clock or time-keeping instrument the time of day or night in units of hours and minutes and seconds. That's it. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Look at the picture. Let's look at the face clock right here. This is the clock or the alarm clock. The alarm clock, we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The blue one or the long hand, we call it minute hand. Okay, minute hand. And the red one is a short hand. We call it hours hand. Okay, hours hand. The blue one or a long hand is minute hand. And the red one is the hour hand. Okay, now look. We usually ask the time. Okay, what time is it? Okay, or we can say, what is the time? Okay, that is usually we're going to ask for people if we don't have a clock or a watch. What time is it? Or what is the time? Okay, look. When the minute hand is on 12, read the time as o'clock. Look at right here, a minute hand. If the minute hand is on the 12, we call it o'clock. Plus the hour hand is on 1, so it's called it's 1 o'clock. Okay? 1 o'clock. What time is it? Look, what time is it? It's the long hand is on the 12 and the short hand is on the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the time is, it's 8 o'clock. Okay? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? The long hand and the short hand is in the 12. So the time is, it's 12 o'clock. Okay? 12 o'clock. Look at right here. The long hand is in the 12 and the short hand is in the 3. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Okay? It's 3 o'clock. Look. When the minute hand is on 9, okay, 9, we say quarter to, okay, quarter to, and then 10 or 11, right here, the short one, and time is it's 11:15. Okay, because the long hand is on 9 and the short hand is almost at the 11. So it's called it's 11:15. Okay, 11:15. The next one. What time? What is the time? It's 1:45. Look, the long hand is on the 9 and the short hand is almost at 1, so it's 1:45. Okay? It's 1:45. Now, when the minute hand is on 3, we say quarter past. Okay? If the long hand is on a 3, we say it quarter past. So what time is it? It's 2:15. Okay, look at right here. The short hand is past to the 2, so we call it it's 2:15. Okay? Now look. What time is it? Come on. What time is it? It's 12:15. Right here. Past 12 and quarter. Okay, it's 12:15. Okay. The next one is when the minute hand is on 6, we read the time as half past. Okay, the long hand in the 6, we call it half past. So what time is it? It's 5:30. Okay, it's past 5 and it's half. So the time is it's 5:30. Okay, look at right there. What is the time? Look, the long hand in the 6 and the short hand is past 9. So the answer is it's 9:30. Okay, it's 9:30. Okay, how about right here? What time is it? Come on. It's 1, 2, 3. Pass. And then the long hand is on the 6. So the time is, come on. The time is, it's 3:30. Okay? It's 3:30. Right here is 12. We call, if the long hand is on a 12, we call it o'clock. The long hand, yeah? The long hand, if it is in the 12, we call it o'clock. And if the long hand is on the 9, we call it 1/4 to. Okay, 1/4 to. And if the long hand is on the 3, we call it 1/4 past. 1/4 past. And if the long hand is on the 6, we call it half past. Okay? O'clock, 1/4 to, 1/4 past, and half past. Okay? That's you have to remember all the time the long hand and the short hand wherever it points 1, 2, 3, 4 until 11. That's we're going to read the hours first and then the long hand, the minutes. Okay, the next. Look at right here. The 7 is, the short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on the 12. So the time is, it's 7 o'clock. It's time to wake up. It's 7 o'clock. It's time to wake up. Okay, next. Look, what time is it? The shorthand is past 2 to 7 and the longhand is on 3. What is the time? Do you remember? It's a quarter past 7. It's time for breakfast. Quarter past 7. Okay? That's all. The next one. Oh, the shorthand is on 8 and the longhand is 12. So, what time is it? Okay, very good. Our lesson is at 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock. It's time to go to school. Good. The next one is, look, the 12 is the shorthand past 12 and the longhand is on 6. What time is it? It's 12:30. It's time to have lunch. Okay, it's 12:30. It's time to have lunch. The next one. Oh, look. The shorthand is past 4 and the longhand is on the 9. What time is it? Again, what time is it? Very good. It's a quarter to 4. It's time for homework. Quarter to 4, okay? It's time for homework. The next one is, what time is it? The shorthand is past the 5 and the longhand is on the 3. What time is it? I have dinner at quarter past 5. Okay, quarter past 5. And the last one is, what time is it? The longhand is on the 6 and the shorthand is past to 10. What time is it? I can't hear you, okay? Again, what time is it? It's 10:30. It's time to go to bed, okay? It's 10:30. It's time to go to bed, okay? That's all for today. I hope you understand our lesson. And I have to attach your worksheet, okay? Thank you and bye-bye.